Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find Monopoly Go reward code. There are two types of reward codes for Monopoly Go, Universal Dice and Unique Tycoon codes. The vast majority of rewards are distributed via Universal Dice links rather than promotional codes. How to get Universal Dice links? Universal Dice links are posted online and can be claimed by any player. They typically expire within 48 hours. The most reliable sources to find these links are official social media. Follow Monopoly Go's official Facebook and Instagram pages, where the publisher Scopely regularly posts new links. Monopoly Go Wiki. Dedicated fan wikis often have a page for latest reward links that is updated daily. Gaming news sites. Many gaming news outlets and blogs such as VG247 and Games Radar regularly publish articles compiling all the active links. And finally, fan communities. The official Monopoly Go subreddit and various Facebook groups are excellent places to find links shared by other players. How to find unique tycoon codes. Unique tycoon codes are extremely rare and are distributed differently from the universal dice links. Purchase a board game. The only official way to get a tycoon code is to purchase a physical copy of the Monopoly Go board game from retailers like Walmart or Target. Codes are limited. Each code can only be redeemed a few times before expiring. This means that if you are given a code by a friend who bought the game, it might not work if too many people have already claimed it. And finally, online giveaways. While it's rare, some players may give away leftover codes in Facebook groups or on Reddit. You have to act fast to claim them. To get your reward, click the link on the same device where you have the Monopoly Go app installed. This will automatically open the app and credit your reward. For tycoon codes from the board game, you must first connect your account to Facebook and then enter the code on the official reward page of the Monopoly Go website. Warning: do not use third-party dice generators or sites that ask for your password or personal information. The official reward links do not require this information and can compromise your account security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.